Hi everyone and welcome to Plugincy's video series. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to one of our most popular plugin, Dynamic AJAX Product Filters for WooCommerce, which is very lightweight and fast, and you can create filters within just a second. It's very easy to set up. Just download the plugin, install and activate the plugin, then apply filters. Discover our dynamic features from here, and it's not just a filter, it's all in one filter solution. You can create any filter by any parameter, and you can also filter with attributes and custom fields. It boosts ranking with SEO optimized because it creates flexible URL methods for SEO and speed and better UX. And you can create beautiful WooCommerce filter designed for flexibility and performance. And you can also create custom filters for category, product, and collections. It's a powerful filter option from basic to advanced. You can filter by price, by rating, by category tags. You can also search by keyword. You can also filter through stock status and custom field filter, multi-select filtering. We have also AJAX layout navigation. To see demo, just click here. You can add our filter anywhere with shortcode, widget, and doc support. And you can also choose whether to index the filter's URLs or not. You can also customize the colors and loader of the filter area. And it's fully responsive and mobile optimized design. And also compatible with any theme. We have flexible pricing plans for everyone from single site to unlimited site and yearly to lifetime. Our plugin comes with free and pro both versions. If you want to download the free version, just click here, or if you want to go with pro, then click buy now. So in our next video, I will install the free version and show you its feature, and then I will upgrade pro to show you its advanced features.